Okay guys, we're unboxing our top of the line Tromox Uco S Plus. So this is the space gray variant. Yan. Ganda. Matte yung kanyang color. Space gray. So this is the Tromox Uco S Plus. This is the top of the line sports electric bike ng Tromox. Yan. So we are offering it here only at EV Supreme. So visit us here at Don Graciano Building. Yan. So this is the battery of the Tromox Uco S Plus. Ganito siya kalaki. 55 AH of blade battery. Yan. Medyo mabigat siya. Mga siguro nasa 20 to 25 kilos ito. Yan. And this is the rims. Yan. So it's CST tires. 14-inch, 100 by 80 by 14. Yan. So ito yung rims ng Uco S Plus. Yan. So currently, we're fixing the handlebar. Yan. So Kel here is our lead technician. Sobrang galing yan. Kabisado niyan lahat ng Tromox. Wait. Op. Nakalak dito. Nakalak.
Isa.
Okay.
Last.
Yan. So we're now putting the battery of the Uco S. So this is the finished product. Yan. Okay. Very good.
Safety breaker.
Okay. Yan. So this is what the key looks like. And this is the NFC card. Yan. Ganda. So this is what's included inside the box. Yan. So meron tayong manual. Meron tayong certificate. EU Certificate of Conformity. So importante yan. So this is how you will know that your e-bike is safe. Okay, so this is the box. Yan. So may manual ulit dito. Duplicate NFC and duplicate keys. Yan. So itong key na to para sa battery cover. Yan. Okay. Tromox. Then underneath, we have here the tools, and this is the side mirror. So, hindi ko na bubuksan, pero side mirror yun. Okay. And if you want to see the charger, this is the charger. Yan. So, it is 84V, 10 amps. This is a fast charger. So, this can charge your Uko in 45 minutes.